In today's video, you will learn how to make a watercress syrup to alleviate coughs and colds. Syrups are undoubtedly one of the best medicines. The lid. It is recommended to take 1 tablespoon of this syrup 3 times a day. Although it is natural, you must consult with a health professional. The symptoms prevented by this syrup may have different causes, such as allergies, infections, or viruses. If you have a fever, malaise, green phlegm, or shortness of breath, it may be a serious issue that requires medical orientation. Try this recipe and share your opinion with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.